Good morning. How's everyone doing today? I'm Lisa Harrell, Dean of Academic Affairs over the Welding program, and we're excited to have you here just to refresh Welding and put Albany Tech's name and our program back out in the community to share with you the new things we've got going on. We've got a new instructor and we're a new chairperson. He's been an instructor here, but we've got a new chairperson, and we're looking at revamping what we've got going on. So next up, I'd like to introduce our interim president, Dr. Griswold. He's going to say a few words.
As Ms. Harrell mentioned, for several months, we've been in the process of refreshing several of our traditional programs, such as welding. It will be one that we refresh today. And so our purpose is to let the community know that these programs, such as welding and joining technology, exist here at Albany Technical College, and some of the lucrative careers that are available to students who successfully finish this particular program and go into the workforce. We have some employees here today that will give you some comments about some of the jobs that are available, and we just welcome anyone who's interested in advancing their career or gaining a new skill to consider Albany Technical College. So again, thank you for coming, and we look forward to seeing you on campus. Thank you.
My name's Mark Benton. I'm the leading chairperson here at Albany Tech Welding and Joining Technology program. Right now we are trying to revamp the welding and technology program here. I've been here about a year now teaching. I've been a welder for 4 years before here. I've recently reached out to Tulsa Welding, and we're seeing if we can articulate something with them, get an agreement with them to help the program here at Albany Tech. I've also reached out to several local businesses in the industry around Albany and the surrounding areas, trying to see what their main concern is with getting students from Albany Tech to graduate, to go to them, help them be more productive. One of the major interests that they had was robotic welding. We are looking at grants now to incorporate that in our program. We have several companies that have recently got quotes to have 2 or 3 put at their current locations. We also have another company that's looking into getting them, and they thought it would be great for us to incorporate that here so we can send them employees that know how to operate them and program them and help their business grow. We have a couple of people here, a former student, Michaela Henry, and employer out in Equinox Chemical, Mark Grimaldi, is going to talk a little bit today about their experience in the program and hiring employees.
My name is Michaela Henry. I'm a former student. I graduated in 2016, and the programs helped me get a job in 2016 before I even graduated, and that was at a structural company. And then I worked there a year and a half, and then I got employed by Mark Grimaldi and became a welder out there. And I've been out there for 4 years, so it's helped a lot with that.
My name is Mark Grimaldi. I'm with Equinox Chemicals here in Albany, Georgia. The welding program here at Albany Tech has been critical to a lot of our operations and being able to get students that are qualified to do the welding that we need to do at our plant site here in Albany. The welding program here is critical to a lot, not just our business, but a lot of the other businesses around here. And the fact that the students come trained on the latest technology and have the exposure to the latest technology is a real benefit to us as a local employer. And we look forward to continuing to work with Albany Tech and the students that come from this program on into the future.